I think like our entire community is right now very good and also they're very excited about this immunization. I'm here, Emma, after a long time in this space, but no worry, we're going to be boom this space actually. So yep, thank you. Stay tuned, everyone. So guys, we're just waiting for our speaker. Hope that within just few times he will join soon. So make your own research about this project and make some good question actually if you have in a mind. So just go ahead to their website also and let's just get ready.
Everyone, just testing the mic here. Can you all hear me?
Yes, Caffeine, I can hear you. How are you today?
Amazing. I'm great. How are you guys feeling?
Yeah, I'm also very excited about this email. So like I can see like people are also waiting. So hope that you're ready right now.
Perfect.
Okay, so let's kick off our administration. So first of all, I would like to thank you all of our community members actually for having here in this administration with Wise Crypto and RWA Inc. actually. So guys, I can say that is a bit about what is RWA, which is offer end-to-end real-world asset that is RWA tokenization through a cutting-edge multi-asset platform that includes the tokenization as a service, a launchpad, and a marketplace with a short-term focus on the startup utility tokens. To You can also check out like from their website as I mentioned, that is rwa.inc. So here is Gavin, our honorable speaker today. So I would like to invite him. So Gavin, could you please just introduce yourself first? Like, could you say a bit about your experience
Sure.
to our community?
Sure. Hi, everyone. My name is Kevin Yunai, and I'm the owner and founder of RWA Inc. We are real world asset tokenization and investment ecosystem, actually the largest in the world. We built a very big network of partners and tech suppliers and all kinds of other types of partners. And we just launched the token yesterday with almost, I think, 8 or 9x before it dropped a little bit to now stabilizing at 5x plus. So we are super, super proud of our launch. And we are looking forward to speaking today and telling you all about real world asset tokenization.
Okay, yep, thank you. Thank you. Happy to know actually. So people don't forget to join their community. And also I would like to congratulate Gavin actually for their launch. It was the like I can say yesterday that is they're on right now the Co-Queen MEXC.io. So wish you good luck for the future actually. We'll discuss about this now. But first of all, just may I know about your primary focus of RWA Inc. and the tokenization strategy? How does it differ itself in their own market, like RWA market actually?
Yeah, so it's a great question. So we have many ways that we differ from any competition in the market. And first and foremost, I would say it's all about our team, right? We have a very, very professional team governing the operations and the token. We have the best market maker in the world, Kyron Labs, who is instrumental in helping us with getting, you know, everything sorted within the token design and everything like that. And also, of course, making sure that the price is looking good on the charts and so on. So that is simply one of the best things about us, that we have this agreement with Kyron Labs, with our advisory, Decubate, Maven Capital, Ape Terminal, and all the easy and all the partners that we work closely with, not only on our own launch but on all coming client launches. And that's what really sets us apart, that we have this tremendous ecosystem of very, very bullish partners that can help any of our clients with a successful fundraise and a successful launch of their tokens. We are a token factory. So we do the whole thing from the initial idea to the design of the token, to the white paper, website, branding, community building, everything from A to C, we take care of for the clients, starting with the companies, with the founders who wants to raise funds. We are helping them now to onboard into the Web3 universe. We will educate them, we will help them, and we will execute for them. So this is a very very special concept that we're building, and it if you should compare it to something, I would say look at what Apple did back in the old days with creating their own ecosystem with hardware, software, and you basically have what we are building just in Web3 for real world asset tokenization. We will be fully delivering both products, concepts, infrastructure, everything you can imagine we will be offering. And the RWA token is driving that ecosystem. So it's like an Ethereum just for RWAs. That's the best way I can explain it.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Caffeine. I got it actually. So I think like their approach addresses the need for extensive tokenization support for the Web2 startups, and also that is fostering their dynamic the growth potential actually. And their versatile solution aims to unlock some kind of opportunities across the diverse asset classes. I can say that is enhance the liquidity and also the broaden market reach, support the business development, and create the new value avenues actually. So yep, thank you once again, Kevin. So like Kevin, as I talked about like your started launch
Yeah.
actually. So could you share a bit about this? Like how was the day actually?
Oh, yeah. I mean, the day was amazing. I was actually the day before, I was awake because I couldn't sleep, to be honest. I was so excited about the launch, but I did get like 1.5, 2 hours sleep. Went up at 5, got my coffee, prepared everything, checked with the team that everything was running. I then went to my partner Mike's place where Mike and his wife had made nice coffee. I brought some croissants and we put up this screen where we could see in big scale the charts once the time was 10. And we then basically, we got the team online and we were just sitting chilling. Everybody wore their merch. So we just had an amazing time. And then at 10 o'clock sharp, we just saw this green candle, right? Like you all seen. We almost eight times. And it just went straight up like a rocket. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. 4 years of work manifested in that green candle. And then from there, we just had thousands of investors writing us, congratulating us. All our partners, said they'd never seen any launch like this over the last 6 or 8 months. All our metrics was just perfect. And yeah, it was a beautiful day.
Okay, yeah, I can see like in your Twitter post, all the men they're just congratulated right the
Yeah.
time. Yes, thank you once again. So yeah, guys, you can make trade with the token right now in the Cocoin, Get.io, MAXC. So just check this out. I already shared above this space. You can see here. Don't forget to join. And also, guys, if you think like, why should I choose RW Inc? I can see like their mission at RW Inc is very simple. Like to make a real world asset tokenization that is accessible to everyone, and also they provide the tools, services, and support that you need actually to successfully navigate the decentralized economy. They have like the flexible investment opportunities, comprehensive platform, user-centric approach actually. So I can see you have your launchpad. So may I know actually about this launchpad actually, and also
Yeah.
uh, like what kind of asset you are providing through this launchpad?
So now that our own launch has been successfully completed, we are gonna roll out to a lot of other DEX and SEX exchanges over the next weeks. So please go to our website www.rwa.inc and go follow us on Telegram and Twitter or X, and you will see what's coming. But now, actually, and this is what is very important to tell people. Now our work really starts. Everything up to today was basically preparations. Now we're in the market and we are onboarding clients. It's all about client focus now. It's all about getting all the clients onboarded, tokenized, and listed on our amazing launchpad, launch.rwa.inc. Here you can both stake your tokens and client tokens later. You can see what's coming. You can participate. You can KYC and AML yourself. You can become a diamond tier user by following some instructions and so on and so forth. So all in all, the launchpad is kind of the spear of everything we will be doing, and that's where we're going to launch all the great coming projects in the pipeline. The beauty about our concept and our tokenomics is the fact that we're actually burning 50% of all profits we get from operations. The launchpad revenue is part of that burn. So what we will do with 50% of all profits is we're going to buy back the RWA tokens and then burn them. And that's really something that we think is going to drive the project all the way to the top. And we can see already now that the first clients are profits are ready to be burned. So we can see we're gonna do a big impact on the tokenomics and performance. So it's very early. We just started. This is a long-term project. So everyone who buys now, it's like buying Ethereum at 5 cents almost, right? So um, we really encourage everyone who can to go on Uniswap or one of the exchanges, MEX, Gate, or KuCoin, and get yourself an allocation of RWAs.
Okay, yeah. Thank you once again, actually. So I can see like you have your native token also, that is RWA. The tokens are the core utility of your launchpad. They are like used for staking, putting on the key decision that guide to the direction of the platform and so on. So may I know the every detail about your token, and also where can people collect your token right now? Like, do you have any kind of ideas, or like how can people participate and get involved actually?
Yeah, so we'll be announcing a lot of IDOs actually over the next weeks here. Right now, we are completing, you can say, the preparations for all the coming launches. We're also doing a lot of other announcements. So go follow us on Telegram. There will be some huge news, both in terms of partner news, but also in terms of some gimmicks for the community and some perks. So we really want the community to be engaged, and we have something. We have teased what it is already, but there will be a product for that being launched over the next days, I would say, and lots of other things are happening. So really go join our community.
Yes, definitely. So guys, like follow their website, which is rwa.inc. Just check it, and also if you have any question and queries, then you can ask to the same, or later you can ask to their social. And also, if you buy their token, like they have the staking policies, like their staking policies are designed to provide a long-term value for the both their users and the broader ecosystem. So you can stake their token. No worry about this actually. So thank you once again, Kevin. So Kevin, like, do you have a move another blockchain in future, like add another blockchain, or um, which blockchain currently you are in actually?
Yeah, so we are multi-chain token. We are based on Base, so we are minted on Base, and the reason for that is that Coinbase is probably one of the most compliant and institutional investor ready chains you can be on. And that's why we chose Coinbase as foundation, because we believe that we're going to attract a lot of institutional investor interest in the near future. So yeah, that's basically what we are in the market for, to be compliant and attract the Web2 institutional investors, accredited investors, and basically driving all that $1 trillion of capital into the Web3 world. That's our core mission. So and that's also how we want to grow, and how we want to grow the token and the entire ecosystem is basically by converting a lot of the old fiat capital into the Web3 world.
Okay, yep. Thank you once again. And also, like as I mentioned earlier about your staking policies. So, do you want to add something on these actually, like how many percentage actually people will get if they stake with token, and also do you have other benefits if they stake?
Yeah, so both for the token and for coming projects, we have this 6-tier staking system. And I'm not the staking expert in the company, so I will rather have you go into the website and really look at all the technical details. But overall, we have these 6 staking tiers where you can earn your tier by doing various activities. And it also shows on launch.rwa.inc the exact APIs for each period of time. So I really do encourage you to go follow our social media, and also go check out our website and our launchpad and read more in detail about all the mechanics in these projects.
Yes, definitely. I can see, like you mentioned about that is API. You have the log duration, like you're offering a variety of log duration to cater a different investment preference. That is the short-term pools, which is for the 30 days, like the lower API to
Yeah,
increase the brief engagement without heavy commitment. Then you have the medium-term pool, which is like I can say 45 to 90 days. Then you have the long-term pools, which is 6 months to 1 year actually.
that's
So
right.
guys, yeah, you can just make your own research, just as he mentioned.
Yeah.
Visit their website.
The the first and most important part is to get the tokens, and that's where you go to Uniswap. And you can actually, on the website, you can find the smart contract address. It's on the front page of RWA.inc. So it's very, very easy to find us. And of course, RWA Inc. is our search name. So, and the token ticker is RWA.
Yes, definitely. So people, yeah, just get first their token actually. So Kevin, I think you agree with me. Like, this is not very easy when you are trying to make this kind of project. There are a lot of competition in the crypto industry. I can see
Oh yeah.
nowadays actually, there are a lot of like RWA projects coming.
Mhm.
So how do you maintain this competition actually in this market? What is your strategies?
Yeah. So, of course, working hard is our core, and smart at the same time is our core value. We do work a lot, and we have a lot of tasks still to complete. We just did the preparation for the next 12-month sprint, and I'm excited to show that to the team, and really speak about all the things we want to achieve over the next period. We are kind of a public company now, you can say, so we have a lot of things we need to do in order to perform. We are in need of performing towards our investors, and that's our obligation to continue to show good results. So we will be building new products. We will be building and rolling out the token on various centralized and decentralized exchanges, more than KuCoin, Gate, and Max, and Uniswap. So that's a commitment I can do to give today, that there are going to be much more bullish news in the next weeks and months. Furthermore, as I explained, core focus is now on the clients, on onboarding all the founders, educating them about Web3, executing on our online strategies so we can get out to the world and to every corner of the globe. And we see already that we are being seen by more than 213 countries. So there's not many left that doesn't know about us. But of course, we still are in the beginning. So there's a lot of more work to be done on the marketing side to really get our word out there. And but what we can see is our great community is doing much of the work. The word is spreading like a fire right now, and we can just see our metrics booming. So we'll continue that trend and onboard a lot of new holders.
Okay, so guys, you can invite your friends and family. You can air of like you can just say them, come here, make your own research. Then I'm not like pushing you actually, just as I mentioned, make your own research, and then you can invite your friends and family to be part of this project actually. So Kevin, I can see like in your website, according to the roadmap, you mentioned about a lot of activities.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like in like for the 2025 especially, like that you mentioned security created token security license with the full
Mm,
regulatory and complaints. So could you explain the like your roadmap, like your future plan for 2025
would love
actually?
to. Yeah. So as you all know, being compliant is one of our key drivers, and we're now actually putting together a very big legal team and advisory team, and have actually hired more advisors to really go to the next steps of this venture. So now we are doing all the preparations for Regulation A fundraise through the SEC in US. So that's going on. We are working on also being in the Middle East, in Abu Dhabi. So so we have a full roadmap now that we are executing on to be able to launch our marketplace early next year, where you can basically sell and buy securities.
Okay, yep. Thank you. Wish you good luck for the future. Actually, just keep building and keep doing.
Thank you.
And also, guys, they are taking RWA to the next level. I can say, like they mentioned about that is 50% of their all revenue generated on their RWA launchpad will go directly towards the buyback and burn initiatives. So, which is great and I mean amazing initiatives, I can say. So people don't be late actually. Just get ready. So, Kevin, I would like to take some questions.
Sure.
So, do you have anything else that you want to share before, like anything else that you want to share before going to take some question?
I'm 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 looking forward to answering the community questions. Please bring them on.
Yes, yes, definitely. So first of all, I can see here, Jinda. Hey, Jinda, are you there?
Yeah, thank you. I'm audible.
Yeah, you are.
Yep.
Okay, my question: how does your project plan to address the issue of scalability as the number of users grows in your platform? Thank you.
Yeah. So we will do paid ads. We'll do PR. We'll do a lot of AMAs, a lot of webinars. So we'll basically do all the activities in the marketing mix in order to grow and drive adoption. Next one.
Okay, yep, sure. Thank you, Jinda, for your question. So, Jarvis, are you there? Hey, Jarvis.
Yeah, yeah. So, how you handle the regulation issue in the vision of your tokenization asset, and followed with that, what are the real world asset are you focusing to transform in the RWA asset? Thank you.
Could you rephrase the question? That was a little. It was a little bit hard for me to understand.
Yeah, yeah, sure. So, how you handle the regulation issue in the vision of your tokenization asset, and followed with that, what are the real world asset are you focusing on the
Ah,
transforming to RWA asset? Thank you.
okay. So in terms of the asset classes, as you all know, we can tokenize any real world asset. It can be commodities, it can be real estate, it could be company, stocks, shares, utilities, whatever. Our focus here in the beginning is to help the founders. So we start with the company as a class. We believe that's where we can do a very big difference for the founders out there in need of $1 to $2 to $3 million. So that's really where we're going to start. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Jarvis, for your question. Don't forget to follow, guys. They're social, actually. The next one is Mr. Make. Hey, Mr. Make, are you there?
Hello, I'm audible.
Yeah, you are.
Okay. So my question is, security and anonymity are always let's on. Uh, my question is, partnership is always important factor for every project. So how
That's
is
right. Yeah.
partnership is always an important factor for every project. So who is your partner and what are the benefit you get from those? That's my question. Thank you.
It's a great question, dear. And I want to say to you that partners is the backbone of the RWA Inc. ecosystem, of course, and very, very important for us. So we are basically looking to be the largest ecosystem in the world of RWA tokenization and investment. So we both have a Web2 partner program, you can say, and also a Web3 partner program. So all our Web3 partners are onboarded now. We don't have many more left. We cover the entire supply chain from audit reports to, you know, team finance with the token handling to all the launch pads and everything else. Now we are building on the partners, the Web2 partners. So we're going to do a big, big Web2 partner onboarding. And that's basically the answer. Yeah.
Great answer. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Mr. Make, for your question. So, Jack, are you there? Hey, Jack.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, thank you. So my question is, ambassador play a very important role in every project. Do you have an ambassador program? This is my question.
It's a great question. And we actually don't have a formalized ambassador concept yet. So I will give you points for this question. And you sure will be a winner for that one. So we'll go back to the drawing board and come back with an ambassador program. That's a good idea. Okay, the
Okay,
next
yep,
one.
thank you, Jack. So let me take the last one. So just give me a minute. Yes, I can see here's AMS2. Hey, AMS2, are you there? Just
Yeah,
give
hello.
me.
I'm audible.
Yeah, you are ask your question.
All right, thank you very much. I want to know, with tokenized assets, cross-border investment becomes easier. So, how does the real handle the complexity of international transaction and currency conversion? Thank you.
Yeah, so in terms of payment infrastructure and handling of all these various currencies that are in the world, from fiat to all the USDTs and USDCs and all the stable coins out there, all the crypto out there, we basically do it the way that we integrate various widgets where you can do it online. We also have banks working with us that can take in any official and legal fiat currency. We don't take money from North Korea and other banned countries. But besides that, we can handle any crypto and any fiat.
Okay, yeah. So MSD, hope that you got your answer.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you very much.
Okay, yeah, thank you once again. So I think we are enough for now. I don't want to take any questions, guys, from your end
Yeah.
right now. Yeah, but Catherine, do you have anything else that you want to share? Like, could you share a bit about your security issues, or how do you maintain like your entire community?
Yeah, I think the most important message is actually to help everyone here on board as part of our ecosystem, both as follower by going to rwa.inc, follow us on X and Telegram, go to our website, copy the smart contract address, and save it a very good place, and then go to Uniswap and get your own allocation. As you can see, we're performing super, super good at the moment, and it's only the beginning. And we can promise from the whole entire RWA team that we will continue to make noise and make results so that your investment will increase in value over time. So please join as investor and follower and help us spread the word about RWA. We are truly a unique project and the most talked about project right now in the industry. So please join.
Yes, guys, just join, and if possible, do some invest here. And like I just mentioned, don't forget to follow their all kind of social, like especially their Twitters, if you want to get their like future plan and updates. So, Gavin, thank you for having here for your time,
Thank
and
you.
wish you good luck for your RWA.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah,
Bye
yeah.
bye.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye bye.